In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Google Drive. By the end, you'll know 2 simple ways to get your files and folders into Drive right from your web browser, and you'll understand what to expect as they upload so nothing gets lost. First, let's use the New button. Open your browser and go to drive.google.com, then sign in to your Google account. When Drive loads, look toward the top left and click the plus New button. You'll see options like File Upload and Folder Upload. Choose File Upload if you're adding one or more individual files, or Folder Upload if you want to bring an entire folder structure into Drive at once. A file picker window will appear. Browse to the file or folder on your computer, select it, and click Open. You'll notice an upload panel appear in the bottom right corner of Drive. This shows progress, and you can follow along as each item finishes. Larger files and slower connections may take longer, so keep the tab open until you see that the upload is complete. When it's done, your files will appear in your Drive or in whatever Drive folder you had open when you started. If you ever realize you're in the wrong place, don't worry. You can move or rename items after the upload finishes. Now let's look at drag and drop, which is often the fastest method. With Google Drive open in your browser, open the folder on your computer that contains the items you want to upload. Position the windows so you can see both. Click and hold the file or folder on your computer and drag it directly into the Drive browser window. As you hover over Drive, you'll see a visual cue that it's ready to accept the upload. Release the mouse and the upload panel will appear, showing progress exactly like before. This works for single files, multiple files, and entire folders. You can even drop into a specific Drive folder by opening that folder first, which saves you from reorganizing later. A few quick tips as you upload. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you manage more than one. Keep an eye on your available storage. Larger uploads require sufficient space in your Drive. Avoid closing the browser tab until the upload shows as complete. If something stalls, check your internet connection and try again. And remember, once your files are in Drive, you can share them, move them into different folders, and access them from any device where you sign in. That's it. 2 reliable ways to upload to Google Drive using your browser. Happy organizing!